Hi, my name is Jessica Smotherman and I'm going to demonstrate how I do my brows. And I'm just going to go from this to this. So before I start, I'm going to be talking about the products that I use for each step, the steps for doing eyebrows, and where I learned how to do my brows. So to start, the product I'm going to use is a pencil. It's retractable, goes up and down. And on the other side, there's a brush. I'm also going to be using concealer and a brush to go underneath and clean up anything that is out of the ordinary. And then the final step is going in with clear brow gel, which is kind of like the hairspray for your brows. Just go like so. So to start, I'm going to take our product, start filling it. I like to make a line at the bottom and just fill in this kind of front half of the brow. I'm going to continue to the tail, and I'm using light to medium strokes depending on how much pigment I want to come out of the product. So I just like to keep it light because you can build, and it's a lot easier to build than take away. So the tail is flicked out, filled in the center. So I left this part last because I'm going to be going upwards with flicks, kind of like a hair. Obviously it's not a hair, just going up. Once we have this look, then we use the brush side to blend. That kind of took away the harsh lines and sculpts the tail a little bit more. So after we have our filled in brow, I like to use this tool first and just wipe away any that doesn't. I put hard pressure because it kind of follows a straighter line and it gets rid of the product. Now to concealer, I put a dab on the back of my hand and then I start to saturate the brush. Once I have the brush ready, I start below because the product comes out thick, and then go up and make a line that follows the outside of your brow. And then I'll take my tool that's on my finger again and blend it out. Now, the final step to blending is I'll take the front part, kind of flick it up, and blend again, and the top like so, with the flat end side of the brush. And I'll take my blender again and blend in the product. The final step of doing your brows is the clear brow gel, and we'll flick it through. It kind of sets them to go up and where I want them to lay in place. You have now finished your eyebrow. So I didn't learn this on my own. I had help with YouTube, and some of the YouTubers that I really enjoy watching and learning from are Desi Perkins, Nikki Tutorials, and Jaclyn Hill. Eyebrows, they kind of go in and out of eras of fashion and all these things, but it's just fun to have a hobby that you can pick up and just have fun with. That's what this is for me, because I can't go anywhere right now, and neither can you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I used 3 products, 2 tools, this and this. to blend it all together to give a thicker appearance for your brow. Overall, I hope that you learned something, and if not, then find your hobby and go on YouTube and improve your skills and how you can be better. And that's what I do. So thank you for watching. Bye.